currently have a problem. You're getting less views, likes, followers, engagement, comments on TikTok. Are you TikTok shadow banned? In this video, you'll learn not just that, but also how to get rid of it. This is a no BS tutorial, and if you want me to personally check your TikTok account, if it's shadow banned, comment your TikTok username down below and I'll check it when I have time. And all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome. Second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe with bell notifications on if you're new. Okay, you probably heard there's a Twitter shadow ban, there's an Instagram shadow ban, I have a video about it. There's a YouTube shadow ban. Apparently, you know, Gabby Hanna, there was some drama going on in the YouTube community about it. And normally shadow bans happen and they are getting less engagement, right? Basically the platform punishing you for breaking the TOS, for example, using software, automation software, botting, follow-unfollow, growth hacks, engagement groups. But I gotta tell you one thing that you gotta know if you're thinking that you're shadow banned. How old is your account? How many videos did you do? Were your first videos performing the best? I've got a point here and I'm gonna make it right now.
He's got a point.
So on my TikTok, I just have 2 TikToks. I did them for test purposes, for a video. Can I get my dog TikTok famous? Right, this is my dog doing that. And this video went viral. It has 30k views, kind of viral. My first video, and then my second one has 1k views. Why is that? Why is your first video getting so much traction? And it was probably gonna get a lot more traction if I actually lived in the US. I'm actually in Europe, in Bulgaria, and therefore 99% of my audience is Bulgarian. And this video was mostly for US audience, but I'll explain that. There's a whole thesis behind it in another video. So if you subscribe, you get to see that. Why is the first video getting more views than the second video? Is it just because the first video is better? Probably, it is better. But what you gotta know is, when you start your TikTok account, it's actually in a test phase, meaning TikTok will push your first videos out more, so you kind of get engaged and hooked into TikTok if you're moving to it from Instagram or from some other platform. And the strategy behind it is, if they can get you to participate and create videos on that platform, on TikTok primarily, they can get more creators on the platform, more users spending more time on the platform. That benefits everyone, especially them as a business. Remember, TikTok is a business, meaning their main concern is making money, making profit, making revenue. They make more money by making people spend longer session times in their platform, longer retention, because the more session time a person has on the app, the more ads they will be presented with. And also, you gotta know that it's country specific, right? If I go on my video again with the 30k video, I might be thinking, well, this video performed not that good, right? 30k views, that's good, but that's not that good. But then I can easily understand why I just got 30k views, because it was served in Bulgaria, Romania, and Poland, pretty much Bulgaria. But this is an English video with an English song, 7 seconds average watch time, that's like 90% watch time. Why is it not popping more? Well, just because of that. It's just because it's created for a US audience. So if you think you're shadow banned, first you gotta consider the following. Is this one of your first videos? Right? If it's your first videos and it popped, and then the next videos you've created didn't go as planned, didn't perform as well, maybe just because the test phase on your TikTok account is over, and now you gotta justify every view by getting better retention and being concentrated on finding the trending songs, the trending movements, the trending hashtags, the trending dances, and following your competitors as well as you can. Also, one thing you should consider is the content I'm creating good enough for my audience, right? Is it tailored? Maybe it's good content, but it's not good content for your audience. For example, is it Gary Vee has really good content, but it's about business. If you present it to a 3-year-old, it's not good content. but if you present them with Baby Shark, it's good content. But Baby Shark won't be good content for entrepreneurs, right? The people won't be interested in that. So you gotta keep your audience age in mind, your audience country in mind, and all that. So are you shadow banned? Most likely not. It's kind of a term that just gets spread around here and there, but it's also an excuse not to create better content. There is a shadow ban, it's a real thing. If you broke the TOS, just stop breaking the TOS after a week, 2 weeks. It's normally 2 weeks on Instagram. It will be over, and the only thing you can do is create better content. There's nothing you can do. Stop the growth hacks, better content. And you know what? I can actually help you grow on TikTok and go through that shadow ban a little bit faster. If you just comment your TikTok username down below, I'll shout you out in my Instagram stories and in one of my next videos. Here are the shout out winners that will get both of these. The first win is actually Avic-Kuch-BHI, who says about funny videos in blogging. Oh, that's nice. Then we have Dave Kursowa. This is my first time to join and I love your accent and a lot of knowledge. It's about the Instagram music isn't available in your region. Actually, this video is over 90k views. Soon we'll hit 100, probably when you watch this YouTube video. That video will be 100k views and it's my first video hitting 100k. And it's really interesting because I was really demotivated by my accent. A lot of people told me that I won't make it on YouTube because of my accent. But look at that, a video hitting 100k views with my European accent. I'm quite happy about it. And you know what? A video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. This is no financial and medical advice. See you next one. Bye.